Good
Good
morning.
morning. We just wanted to share our experience with Renewal by Andersen. It started with Ethan, the young man that came out to do the sales. And you know how some people kind of hate to see salespeople because they're so pushy. Ethan was not pushy. He knew the product. He answered all of our questions that we needed to answer, plus some. It was a great demonstration. And then it was followed up by Bryce, who came and remeasured to make sure everything was correct. I got the order in. The order was produced and made quickly, and really before we thought it was going to be ready. And then Shane, man, and his crew came out. They were on time earlier. They introduced themselves, very professional, set stuff up to protect our floors around the housing. And we had 16 windows, one upstairs, and they got all of them taken out and the inside caulked in one day. There was no cleanup. They cleaned as they left. They came back the next morning to finish the outside seal and caulk, and by 1 o'clock they were done. There was no cleanup, and as they were doing their process, they also explained each one of them with what they were doing and why. They were all professional, knew their product, and just very great to be around and watching them work because they worked in sync. That crew is really great together. And we, excuse me, we thank you again, and we will definitely spread the word. We're Anderson, and we're glad we went with you because our expectation was greater than what we thought, not only the product, but with the professionalism of everybody that we dealt with. And we thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.